Hi, my name is Dakmejian and I'm an experienced consultant working at Carbon 4. My role in the BioCapital project is to provide expertise on how to develop biodiversity certificates applied to specific pilots spread in Europe.
What's the purpose of biodiversity certificates and how do they work?
So typically you need to develop several registries where project owners can register their own project, register the practices they want to implement that will then contribute to strategic planning goals. Then you will have another registry where the private sector can finance the project owners. And then you will have a mechanism to monitor biodiversity over the long run. After that, you'll have a third-party review and auditing to make sure that biodiversity gains are actually realized over time. And once it is demonstrated, private sector actors will receive those certificates and will be able to claim that they contributed to the global biodiversity goals. And also you'll have institutional actors that will be able to say, okay, those projects have contributed to my strategic goals of restoration or conservation, depending on their objectives.
What's the expected impact of the BioCapital project results?
Restoration and conservation is really siloed, and we have an issue of understanding what can be standardized. Because if it's not standardized, then you will never demonstrate that you have contributed to one single goals depending on socio-ecosystems. I believe the outcome of BioCapital can be replicated at scale in other regions through the fact that the methods would be easy to understand and grasp, and also because the methodologies that we will develop will allow that scale to happen. And so we believe that the mechanism will really contribute to target a broad range of similar practices at local level.